A Day in My Life featuring John. Hey guys, hey guys, hey. Hey guys, welcome back to Marla's World. If you're new here, welcome to Marla's World, and do not forget to hit that subscribe button to the right. Okay. You guys see my pimple? This video is featuring my pimple, and I'm gonna name him John. So I'm gonna say A Day in My Life featuring John, and then it's gonna be a clickbait, but it's not really if it's a pimple, right? Yeah. So it's okay. A lot of people are like looking, but it's okay because they don't know if I'm talking to somebody or if I'm recording a video, so that's fine. So anyways guys, I didn't record myself like getting ready, all that stuff, but right now I'm at Dunkin' Donut because I have my vitamins. Actually, where are my vitamins? Did I trash it, bro? I literally came here because I was gonna take my vitamins, and I'm like, you know what, I need to take my vitamins, but I can't take it without having something like a little sweet to go with it. And turns out, no, I have absolutely nothing because I trashed my vitamins when I was cleaning out my car a little bit. I trashed it. I don't think I'm gonna go home right now, not for a while anyways, so I guess I'll take my vitamins when I go home. But since I'm here, I'm gonna go into Dunkin' Donut. I'm gonna get me a hot chocolate. I'm not gonna get any donuts or anything because my chest has been hurting me like really bad lately, and I don't like it. Like usually, like in the past, I've had experiences like, where I feel like I'm gasping for breath. But like I don't have asthma, or I don't have anything like that I know of, and I get my physical every year, as I said in my last video. I'm getting my other physical for this year on Tuesday. It's Saturday now, so not too far, but hopefully I feel better. Last night was terrible. I had to do some jumping jacks and like, you know, just to make sure my chest feel a little better because it feels like really tight and I don't like that. So this man is like literally staring at me. Oh my gosh, I should have turned my car the other way, but then you guys wouldn't be able to see me anyways. So I'm just gonna go into Dunkin' Donuts right now and get my hot chocolate, and I will see you when I get it, because yeah, I'll see you. So guys, I got my hot chocolate. Look it has whipped cream on it, so I guess it was overflowing. I don't know why she did that. It's extremely hot. Let me see. Not bad at all. Yeah, but anyways, so I'm just gonna drink a little of this and hopefully I feel better because since it's something warm. And then I'm going to go to the mall to see, I need to go to JCPenney to see if they have any workout stuff on sale, and then I'll go to Bath & Body Works to see what they have. I'm just gonna take y'all to the mall with me basically, so I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay guys, I really need to get my tripod, so right now I'm at the mall. I parked over there. Oh my gosh, I saw this Jeep. It was so cool. I didn't think I would actually like a yellow car, but it's like so cool. If it's there when I'm back out, I'll show you guys. But yeah, I'm at the mall, so that means I gotta put my mask on. How's John doing? John is fine. Okay, so going to JCPenney right now.
Guys, this is so cute. Oh my gosh, I like that. Oh, this is cool, but like that's too much clothes for the beach, isn't it? I thought their workout clothes is right here, but apparently it's not. They rearranged the place. I guess I haven't been shopping in a long time. So, let's see if I can actually find the workout section. when I come to JCPenney, I literally always go to the clearance section and I always find things for cheap. And then online, I could just get a coupon and use. So this is basically what I do when I buy stuff from here. Because listen, things are expensive, okay? And I like cute clothes, and I like good quality stuff. But yeah. So clearance section is like, let's see. I think these are mostly winter stuff, which I kind of really don't need. Obviously, I need to go in the small section, extra small. These extra small stuff are huge. Oh, it's extra large. Ooh, this is cute. Let me see how much it is. $17? What? Do I need this for $17? I don't think so. This is cute, but I already have like one like it already. Let's go back to what I came for, because I'm not trying to spend money that I don't have. Oh, if you're skinny and you come here, you definitely need to go to the junior section, because even the junior section is like really big. They have a sale on shoes, Puma shoes. I need the shoes for like working out, but I don't even know what to get. But they're all on sale, but you can't use coupon on the shoes. Ooh, this is cute. Oh my gosh. How much is this? $70, so that means it's $64. You take $5 off basically. This is cute, but I don't need the shoes that bad to spend that much time. This is what I'm wearing. Bras.
Guys, you wanna know what's funny? I'm going on the escalator. So guys, you wanna know what's funny is that I literally walked in right past the activewear and I didn't even go there. Like, I guess because I went to right and it's on the left, I didn't see it, so I ended up walking all around. But then I'm like, yeah, no, I'm not buying that. I'd rather buy stuff on Amazon where I could get it cheaper. Cause listen, it's just a lot. And oh my gosh, guys, I need to clean my room and then I need to buy some stuff to make my apartment cute again. Cause like I feel like a hoarder right now. Hello, how are you? Hello, I'm getting you. She was nice. I love my black people. So guys, I'm just walking around at this point. I think I'm gonna go to one more store and then I'm going back to my car. And I think I'm just gonna go home so I can get my vitamins. And then after that, I will. What will I do? I don't know. Oh. So guys, hopefully you guys can hear me because I don't want to talk too loud. And I'm wearing my mask, but hopefully you guys can. So I'm going out with my friends later tonight. So there's that I have to do. But I'm definitely going to go out later and enjoy myself. It's also my friend's birthday today, so happy birthday, Jamie. I love you. New arrivals. Ooh, this is nice. I am out of the mall and ooh, I like the sunlight, even though you can't really see. But yeah, that sunlight do be hitting. Yeah. Why is this man looking at me? The thing about vlogging is that there's always people looking at you, like. But anyways, I went to K's and I updated my necklace. I'm gonna show you. When you buy jewelry from K's, you have to go in every 6 months so that they update it. So if a diamond goes missing within your 6-month period, they basically update it for you, like add stuff to it, add whatever is missing to it. But say you haven't been in it 7 months and something goes wrong with it, they won't fix it because it's not considered in the warranty. I need to do the same for my ring, because if something goes wrong with my ring, then I wouldn't get a new one. or they wouldn't fix it or whatever. So I need to do that. But guys, look at my necklace. Like, I just got it clean. Also, you get free cleaning with it, so you could go in anytime. You could go. I could go there tomorrow if I wanted to, and they would update my. They would clean it for me for free, cause I got it there. And they don't really ask if you get it there. But listen, this is so, like, it's glowing, it's glistening. Yeah, I really like my necklace. It's my only go-to jewelry. But yeah, I was gonna show you guys the Jeep, the yellow Jeep, but it's not here anymore, so I can't really show you guys. But John says hi. Hi, John. People keep looking at me because I'm vlogging. But actually, that was a really good walking workout because yeah. So now I think I'm just gonna go home. This lady's looking at me like, mind your business. I'm gonna go home and then I'll go to my mom's for a little bit, I think, because I need to pick up something from her. Or I'm just gonna go home and stay home and just relax. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that and just watch some TV or do some schoolwork. My edge control, you see it? I don't like that. But my pimple, like, dang. John is just there, like, John won't leave me alone. Why? Tell me why. So I am back in my car, and since I'm back in my car, I'm just gonna show you what I just bought. After I left the mall, I ended up going to Burlington, but I was on the phone, so I couldn't like vlog. But anyways, so I'll just show you what I got. I really need a belt, so I ended up buying this because it has a belt on it. It comes with a belt rather, so I could just cut this off, right? And then the belt comes out. Yeah, and I think I paid like $14, which isn't bad at all. And then I just get to have this with it. I might need to roll my window up because that was loud. So yeah, not bad. And I got these shoes, GBG. I don't know what brand it is. I'm not brand loyal, but I got these and they're nice. I got it for $24.99 because I needed a black shoes. I have a white shoes similar to this, I think Adidas, but the thing with that is it's too much white and I kind of needed more black, so I ended up getting this one. Got this cute little top. You see it? I'm not trying them on, so like this will have to do. But yeah, I like the little flare at the bottom of it. I got this skirt that I really like. It's a very odd skirt in my opinion, but like it looks like this, and then it has this little slit at the bottom right here, so I really like that. I got this in the junior section, don't judge me, but I really like it. It's cute. Like I could just sleep in it, and I like that I got 2 head ties, so that was cute. Yeah, and that it comes with two of them, so yeah, to match the head ties. And I think this was, let me see, it was cheap, $7.99 for both. And then I got this for $9.99, so I got 2 nice tops. In the summertime, I usually run out of tops, but I never run out of bottoms because it's jeans. You could just wear a jeans with anything, but I always run out of tops, and I like having white tops or black tops, so I just got these. It was 2 of them, so you have like a solid white. I must say I like the little thing right here. I got this. I'm either gonna wear this later or on vacation, but it's so cute, right guys? It's like so cute. Oh my gosh. And as you can see, I paid only $4.99 for it. And I think the last thing that I got was this. It's like a nice little black blouse. You can like kind of wear it with anything, and it was only $5.99, so not bad. So yeah, that's your mini Burlington with factory all. It's kind of like a Ross. I wish I had a Ross though. I like Ross more than Burlington, but we don't have one here in the East Coast. So I usually go, like if I go to Florida. I think I went when I went to California. But yeah. So now I think I'm gonna end up calling my mom right now and see if she is home. She's probably not, but if she's not home, then I'm going to go home and just rest. And then later I'll get ready for the birthday dinner. And I'll show you guys. And then I'll go to my mom tomorrow. But yeah, I will take you along with me for the rest of my day. You guys will keep me company. So guys, when I get home, I need to take my vitamins. I need to drink a bottle of water, okay? And then I need to make sure that I need to get some rest. So I'm gonna do that. So yeah, I will see you guys soon. So guys, I am home and now I'm going to take a vitamins. I have a popsicle right here. It's really good. I don't remember the name of the brand, but like I really like it. It has real pineapple chunks in it, so I think that's why I like it so much, because I like pineapples, one of my favorite fruits. But I'm going to take my vitamins. What I'm taking is, but this isn't vitamin, but yeah, taking low dose aspirin. I take one a day now because I'm on a new journey, okay? And I take iron pills, not pills, I don't take pills, gummies, because, and oh, it's nature made, because I wish they had another flavor though. But anyways, yeah, I take it because my iron is low and I'm just trying to, you know, be healthy. So I'm really just trying my best to live that healthy lifestyle. So that's what it looks like. And yep, yeah baby, I take the nasty one first. This is literally my face every day when I take it. So disgusting.
I always take it with my breakfast, always. Struggle is real. Tastes so bad. I absolutely do not like it. I'm grateful for popsicles. And then I take mine. Maybe aspirin. It's trouble.
I'm going to take a nap and then I'm gonna wake up and I'm gonna get ready for dinner later with friends. But until then, I see you guys. Hey guys, so I'm all just up. I can't find my necklace, the one that I wanted to wear, so I just decided I'm gonna wear this one. But basically this is my outfit. Let me see, I can't really show you all of it, but this is my outfit. So guys, I will have to insert a picture of my outfit because I'm all dressed up and I have nobody to take my picture or anything until later. So I will show you guys my outfit, but I'm a little early and I'm never early, so I don't want to scare them. So I am going to get there soon. But yeah, this is my outfit. This is my blouse, the blouse I was showing you earlier, and I'm wearing with the denim pants and my shoes that I bought earlier as well. So, oh, my skin is like, if only my face was like this clear, but whatever. And when I say clear, I mean like not this much discoloration. I was gonna wear makeup, but then I was like, no, because I just can't be bothered. So as you can see, John is still there. But yeah, I'm taking y'all with me so you can meet the gang if they wanna. And yeah, let's see from there. I'll show you what I eat, all that good stuff. Butter drive to Weha.
So I was like, no, I believe it. We asked him a question and he was just like, it's getting expensive. Yeah. He's not getting sweet potato fries. What did you get? I got buffalo chicken.
Got it.
That's what you got it? What's your good story?
So guys, this is the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm sorry I didn't get to vlog in the restaurant because I didn't want to be awkward, but yeah, we had a great time. So this is the end of today's vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff if you haven't already. And yeah, I will see you in the next video. I'm not doing my skincare routine tonight, so I'll do that for the next upload, and you will see my new skincare routine. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed. And Jamie, I know you had a great birthday, so happy birthday again. Bye guys.